The market is in a turmoil due to agentic AI disruptions. The headlines are suggesting AI agents will replace developers, testers, the entire operation teams, and even outsourcing. Stock prices are tumbling. Hiring is stagnant. IT professionals are asking, is this the beginning of a large scale job displacement? Slow down. In this video, I want to separate the noise from the signal. Why the market is reacting? Whenever a new automation wave arrives, markets react first and think later. We saw this with cloud computing, DevOps, robotic process automation, RPA. Each time, the prediction was the same: IT roles will disappear. But historically, automation changes task composition, not human relevance. Cloud computing did not eliminate system engineers, it created cloud architects. DevOps did not eliminate operations, it created platform engineers. Robotic process automation. Do you see robots everywhere? On the roads? In the hotels? In malls? No. It created robot operators in warehouses. Agentic AI feels different because it doesn't just answer questions. It plans, it executes, it retries, it interacts with tools that makes it look like a digital employee. And that is why the reaction is stronger. What AI agents can actually do? Let us be practical. AI agents can automate repetitive workflows, perform structured tasks, even multi step tasks, orchestrate tools, even external tools, retry tasks, even intelligently retry, not in a dumb way. They can generate logs and explanations. If a task is rule based, repeatable, and measurable, AI agents can handle it. This will absolutely impact IT roles, especially roles that focus on repetitive execution, like filling out a legal form. Now, let us look at the other side. Agentic AI cannot reliably own business accountability. Unlike an employee who is accountable if AI makes a mistake, navigate political or stakeholder ambiguity. The tricks of the trade. Design resilient system architecture from scratch. A greenfield system entering a new territory. Make trade offs under legal responsibility. They don't take responsibility. These are not small limitations. These are foundations to senior IT work. An agent can execute tasks, but it cannot own consequences. The impact of AI agents will not be uniform. We can break down into three categories: high exposure, medium exposure, and low exposure roles. First, high risk or exposure. These are repetitive operational execution roles like filling out a form, manual validation heavy roles like checking if a form is filled correctly, basic support automation like answering a question. Second, moderate risk or exposure roles, structured analysis based on organization document, predictable configuration tasks like creating a user, standardized implementation work like deploying code changes. With some effort, AI agent can take over these tasks. Third, low risk or lower exposure roles. Architecture, governance, security oversight, compliance, system design, integration strategy. In fact, these roles may grow in importance because someone must design, create guardrails, and monitor the agents. So, what should IT professionals do now? Four practical steps. First, understand agents deeply. Don't fear them, design them. Second, learn governance and guardrails. That is where real enterprise value sits. Third, move toward architecture and integration thinking. Think in systems, not scripts. Fourth, build automation literacy. The future belongs to those who orchestrate AI, not compete with it. Here is the balanced view. Agentic AI will disrupt IT, that is for sure, but it will also elevate IT. It will reduce certain types of work. It will increase expectations. It will certainly force skill evolution. But disruption does not mean extinction. The real question is not, will AI eliminate IT? The real question is, will IT professionals adapt fast enough? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.